Hi everyone. So I'm pretty sure you heard the big news which our Indian government has just taken, banning the 59 Chinese application. Yes, you heard it right. Well, these application has been flagged by Indian intelligence agencies for privacies and security issues. Basically आपका कोई भी डेटा मिसयूज ना हो, इसी वजह से ये एप्लीकेशंस बैन की गई है. सो हाउ अबाउट आई शो यू दिस 59 एप्लीकेशन जो बैन हो चुकी है. स्क्रीन पे देखिए, ये सब एप्लीकेशंस है जो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने बैन कर दी है. इफ़ यू हैव एनी ऑफ दिस एप्लीकेशन, आई स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड यू प्लीज डिलीट दिस एप्लीकेशन. How about I give you some of the alternatives for these applications which might be useful for you. So this is the video which is all about the alternatives for the Chinese applications. Now let's start.
Cam Scanner. So the Cam Scanner was the application which a lot of people used. It was famous in corporate world, but now it's gone. So the alternative for the same is Adobe Scanner. This is how you can use. Once you install the application, this is how it looks. You just need to scan the document. For that, you need to click here. This will automatically capture the image like this, and then you just need to press continue. Once you do that, the document is ready and you can save it in PDF format. Another popular app in the banned list is ShareIt. I personally use ShareIt a lot for sharing my files from my phone to my PC. But the alternative for the same is a website called snapdrop.net. I use this website to share my files from my phone to my computer. This is how you can use it. So now you have to go to the website called snapdrop.net on your PC as well as on your mobile phone. Once you do that, your device will pop up over the screen like this, and then just click on the device and browse whichever file you want to transfer. Like this. Once you do that, it will ask for the download. You just need to click on the download. The file will be downloaded. Beauty Plus is the next application which is banned. Well, as the name suggests, this application was famous for editing the photos, and the alternative which you can use for this is Lightroom application. Well, this is the interface of the application. You can simply add any photo you want and start edit it. There are multiple presets given over here. You can adjust lights and everything you want from here. So I have made a separate video on Lightroom application. Check out the link which is given above. Up next is UC Browser. Well, this application was famous for lightweight and fast browsing, and now apparently this is famous for misusing your data and security issues. Trash this application and use the best one, Google Chrome. It is a bit heavy, but your data will not be compromised and secured. Well, the last one in our list is Vigo India. This is a video editing application that was really famous in India. This app had been banned back in 2017, where the agency claims the app had been spying on users. Really shady, right? Now you can delete this application and download the application name InShots. This application can be used for editing short videos by adding some text and adding some stickers, something like this, and help you to edit the small videos. This is a similar app like Vigo India, except this is not from China, of course.
So these were some of the alternatives for the application which you might be using it and would be helpful for you to replace this application from the Chinese apps which you might have been using. And try to support the decision which our Indian government has taken. If If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.